The Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. I want to start off this video addressing the elephant in the room, the blue laces. Let's talk about the blue laces. Let's expose everything with the blue laces. The sneaker only comes with red, white laces, and of course the black laces already on the shoe. Let's talk about the blue laces. I know some of you are going to say, no blue laces equal fake. Where are the blue laces? Marcus Jordan said no blue laces equal fake. Let me address all of that right now. The blue laces is Marcus Jordan's cover-up. Let me explain. Marcus Jordan, Michael Jordan's son, owns Trophy Room, where the sneaker will be releasing. This is the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. Trophy Room is a Tier 0 account, meaning that they get everything, and everything limited, from everything hyped, everything GR, a lot of pairs, tons of product. Tier 0 account, top of the line account. It is Michael Jordan's son. After all, it's Trophy Room. They get everything. Right? Now, let's talk about this sneaker. Marcus Jordan caught backdooring pairs, and the blue laces is his way of trying to cover it up from Nike. Marcus Jordan sees that people are getting pairs online. He then puts up some pictures, some tweets, showing his pair with blue laces, and then a picture saying rumor has it, and it says it on the laces. Basically portraying and trying to make it seem that no blue laces equal fake. He did this after the fact people have pairs in hand, and he was caught backdooring the pairs. That's why the blue laces is even a thing. The sneaker was never intended to come with blue laces. That's why there's only red, white, and the black on the shoe. After the fact of them getting backdoored and exposed all over the internet, tons of pairs, he goes and says blue laces is a thing, and trying to make it seem like pairs from Trophy Room are going to come with blue laces. Well, he did that once again after the fact that pairs were backdoored. Let's talk about the release. The sneaker's going to release February 10th. Well, how do you know that? Because of the date on the inside. February 10th, 1985. The All-Star game where the shoe takes its inspiration even from. February 10th, on a Wednesday, what's going to happen? Trophy Room, how they release their sneakers is via email. So you email them your size, your name, your information, and then they'll get back to you saying, you know, hey, you won the shoe. If you don't get an email back, it's an L. Well, all that has to happen on the 10th is they put up the post, people get their they send over the emails, and Trophy Room has a few hundred pairs left. That is it. Danny, the sneakers has 12,000 pairs. Yeah, it does have 12,000 pairs. They're numbered. But he backdoored most of the stock. There's only a few hundred pairs left. Most of the pairs that you see online are real. Of course there are fakes, of course. But majority of the pairs are real because he backdoored thousands of pairs. Thousands of pairs already into the street. Why? Because of money. That's all it comes down to. Guys, this is nothing new. Backdooring happens with every sneaker each and every week. It's just getting, I guess, exposed now because it's Marcus Jordan with a very hyped and exclusive Jordan that is numbered. This happened with Trophy Room 5s, Trophy Room 16s, 17s. This is nothing new. Backdooring happens each and every week on each and every sneaker. Take a look at any Nike SB release. Those are backdoored like galore. It's crazy. Marcus Jordan, Michael Jordan's son, backdoored Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. The blue laces is his way of trying to cover it up. Let's talk about his contract with Nike, how Nike might feel about this. Nike will not care. That's the truth. Nike won't care for a few reasons. First of all, it's Michael Jordan's son. You're not going to cancel Michael Jordan's son's contract. But not only that, Nike knows backdooring happens each and every week on each and every sneaker. They get their money, the product sells out, they're happy, they move on to the next release. Nike's not going to care too much about the shoe being backdoored, even by Marcus Jordan himself. That's the truth. The blue laces means nothing. In fact, I'm going to tell you right now, if you have blue laces, you probably have a fake pair right now. No one has blue laces. These pairs that you see, most of them are real. Of course, there's fakes out there, but most of the pairs you see are legit pairs of Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. This release is not going to be pretty. If they release on the sneakers app, if they do, expect a few pairs, nothing crazy, they'll be gone in seconds. Look, the truth is this release is mostly over. No one paid retail for the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. They paid thousands of dollars for this shoe. Now, the people that got access to the shoe that did backdoor from Trophy Room, they paid a lot of money per pair in bulk. Why? To get rid of the pairs. That's it. So they can break them down, resell them each one for individually more money. So all it comes down to is money and who you know in the sneaker game. This is a 100% legit pair of Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. I'm going to show you guys every little detail in this video. I'm going to prove to you that I have a real pair of Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. Guys, the release is pretty much a wrap. I do want to shout out Brandon's Kicks. That's where I got them from. Brandon's Kicks was, I'm going to put everything up on screen right now. He was put up on Z Sneakerhead on Instagram, where we all get our information from. Any early leak on a Jordan, it's from him. He is the GOAT. He is the go-to. Every picture you see of any early shoe, any type of, mock-up, it's from him. A lot of stuff is from him. Z Sneakerhead, I know you guys know who he is. A lot of you do. And a lot of you trust him. Brandon's Kicks, I'll put it up, was on Z Sneakerhead's Instagram, and he is where I got this pair. Guys, Marcus Jordan caught backdooring pairs, and that is your reason for the blue laces. Blue laces mean nothing. Let's take a closer look at the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. This video is sponsored by Soul Premise. Soul Premise has amazing high quality bags for sneakerheads when they travel. Let me show you guys how awesome this commuter bag is that does hold 4 to 5 pairs of sneakers. This is the only bag I take with me when I travel. Make sure you guys check out Soul Premise. The link is down below in the description. And make sure you use my discount code DannyMoore for 40% off your order. So on the front of the bag, you do have 2 really nice zippers for plenty of storage. Let me open up the bag and show you guys. Right here, I can put some sneakers. I just took my shoes out of here, but on the bottom, as you can see, I do have a pair of Mocha Air Jordan 1s. On the other side, I could put some clothing, some other sneakers if I want to as well. In the middle, I do have my MacBook Pro. I could also put some clothing, maybe some toiletries in there. Here for another compartment, I have room for more sneakers. I do have a pair of Jordan 1s right there chilling, and I could put some more as well at the top. I do have some zippers right here for maybe some more toiletries and some other goodies as well. And on the bottom of the bag, yes, the bottom of the bag, there's even more storage. I do have a pair of Yeezy Wave Runners there at the bottom. Guys, tons and tons of space in Soul Premise bags. I love them. They're made for sneakerheads. Make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below in the description. And thank you, Soul Premise, once again for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love Soul Premise bags. Let's start off with the box. Once again, I'm going to go through every little detail for you guys to show you guys this is a real pair. So right here we have the box. It does go from the light blue into the darker blue with the stars all around it. Take a look at the label. Take a look at that label. It does have the suggested retail. Make sure it does have it. From what I've seen, I'm the only sneaker YouTuber right now with a legit pair from what I personally have seen. There's the box. Take a look at everything. There's the box. Alright, let's open up the box. We'll take a look, show you guys what everything that they come with. They do have a stamp in the box. There's the stamp, and here's the inside of the lid. Inside, you do have 2 sets of paper. You have a darker yellow paper on the outer, and then a lighter paper on the inside. And inside, they do also come with this. You guys can take a look at everything. Pause if you need to. And there is writing on the back of the ticket as well. You guys can pause and go ahead and read all of that if you would like. Now, let's take a look at the shoe. Start with the lace bags. You got white laces and red laces. The only two lace bags with the shoe. I just addressed the blue laces. You do have really nice stitching that does pop out in white. Some double stitched throughout. Some places it is not. It is single stitched. It really does depend on what part of the shoe. Take a look at the back. You do have the Michael Jordan signature on the back heel. You do have black leather here at the top. Very soft to the touch. Quality is very nice on the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. The midsole is in that sail colorway. Take a look at the Nike swoosh. Very nice details. Now, look at the bottom, icy bottom. You got the red and blue stars. Midsole, once again, is sail. It does wrap all the way around. Let's take a look at the tongue. Tongue is a great legit check. You can see the wrinkles throughout the tongue, and there is your beautiful Nike Air at the top. Numbered pair. This is pair number 8,518 out of 12,000. There's only 12,000 pairs. Here's my number. I promise you, you are not going to find another pair in existence with my number. The red on the inside, and then the Trophy Room little patch there. I did this for you guys. I took out the insole. I know people love to talk about the insole. There it is. Here's the back of the insole. There's a look at the inside stitching that everyone loves to look at with legit checks. On the inside, you do have Rumor Has It stitched in, and there's a look at the tag. Here is the right shoe. Everything is the same. The only difference is the tag there on the back that does read February 10th, 1985. For that All-Star game where the shoe is inspired, where basically rumor has it that they weren't passing him the ball, and he only scored, I think, like 7 points or something like that in the All-Star game that year. So, you know, they were trying to, like, I guess, blacklisting him or whatever from the All-Star game because it was his first All-Star game. That was the rumor, and why rumor has it. Let's blacklight test the box, the shoes, and everything. Like I said, I'm going to be completely transparent, nothing to hide. I know my pair is 100% real. Blacklight test. Good to go. Now let's do the shoe. We'll start here with the bottom. You see a stamp, you're going to know it's fake. But you're not going to see that stamp because this is a 100% legit pair. Now, let me show you guys the upper with the blacklight test. Stitching lights up a little. That's it. Do the midsole. Just the stitching. Lights up. That's it. 100% real pair of Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. Guys, beautiful sneaker. A very backdoored sneaker. A very talked about sneaker. Possibly sneaker of the year. Too early to say that in my opinion, but it's possible. And I do think most likely Jordan 1 of the year. The Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. 100% legit. Backdoored. As simple as that. It is what it is. Any early sneaker before release date, it's backdoored. It's the name of the game. It's how it works. It comes down to who you know and money. That's all it is. It's connects and having money. That's all it is here with this sneaker. Guys, this is nothing new. Good luck on the release. I'm going to tell you right now, do not expect to get these for retail because most of the stock has been backdoored already. I totally think they're worth the crazy money that they're going for. I really do. I think it's a dope shoe. The hype is real. The hype is there. Marcus Jordan, man. It is what it is when it comes to those blue laces. Guys, do not expect to have pairs with blue laces, and good luck even getting the blue laces. You're not going to. They're backdoored. Simple as that. Let me know what you guys think about the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Are they a must cop for you? Are you going to go pay resale? Let me know down below. Clean shoe. Quality's awesome. And I'm excited to have them in the collection. Let me know what you guys think about the trophy rooms down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.